In this video, I'll be going over how to set up your Linux VM for the rest of CS340, or at least almost entirely set up. So first thing we're going to do, well, first I want to mention is that if you go down to applications here and go to your settings, I just want to show you in case you need to change your name or anything for any reason. If you go down to users, you could change your user. My user got messed up. You can change your username here. If you need to change the device name, which is, so our username is the first part, our device name is after the @ symbol there. So if you needed to change that, you go down to about, and you could edit the device name here. So moving along, we are going to want to install MongoDB. So we're going to open Firefox. I'm going to open, also going to open the Ubuntu software and have that going in the background. But in Firefox, we're going to do MongoDB download. And we're going to click on the community server download. And we are going to scroll down to check what we need. We're going to do the current version, I believe. Scrolling up, that'd be awesome. All right, so everything should be good except the platform. We want the current version, package server, and then we're going to change the platform to what we're using right now, which is 22.04 64-bit, and we're going to download that. Okay, and then while that's going, we're going to also want to download. Go to Tools and click on MongoDB shell, and we are going to want the version 2.0.1. We're on the deb package, and we're going to change this to deb 64-bit. Right? Okay, so we download that, and then we will minimize this and come back to, I don't need the updates just yet. All right, so we are going to change the directory to our downloads folder. So this is what we just downloaded here. And we're going to start with the server. So we're going to copy this, and to copy in terminal, it's Control-Shift-C. And to do the package stuff, we do sudo dpackage I, and then we Control-Shift-V to paste and install server. Ask for your password, enter your password, install that. And the next thing we're going to want to do is copy the Mongo shell, Control-Shift-C. Do the same thing. We'll press up to get that last command line, and then Control-Shift-V, install that. All right, and then to test that works, we do, I believe it's sudo systemctl start mongod. And then we can do change the start to status mongo, and it's active. So if we hit Control-C to get out of this, we can do mongo shell, mongosh. And there we go. We're connected. We can show databases. We can use databases, and we're set. So we can exit there. The next thing is we want to get pip installed in here because it's not already on there. So that would be sudo install python 3.pip. I think it's going to ask you to confirm. Yes, we want to install that. While that's installing, I'm going to get the data sets collected. All right, so this is, we have pip installed there. Now we want to do python 3m. So I get pymongo installed here. So install pymongo. And then we're good there. We got the 4.5.0. And then we're going to open up the Ubuntu software, and we're going to search for PyCharm. because I tried to do some weeks back. I was messing with this, and I tried to do enter password. Tried to do the same spider ID, and it wasn't working properly. But PyCharm works, so we're gonna go with that. It doesn't really matter as long as you can code in it and it runs. All right, so now that PyCharm's installed, we're gonna click back, and we're gonna type in Jupyter Notebook. We're gonna run that, install it. Password again. Now while that's going, preparing, we will pin this to our favorites, and let's just open PyCharm, make sure everything works. Do a nice hello world. Yes, I agree. Sure. All right, so new project. And we're using the virtual environment, base interpreter, so good there. So that should be all well and dandy. Create. Set up. All right, so we run it. And high PyCharm, so that works. We're good there. Confirm. See how Jupyter's going. Now that we have that installed, I believe that covers everything that we need. I plan on actually testing this later because I don't have the time as of this video to do it. But that should be everything you need for the entirety of CS340. Well, except the files I'm going to talk about right now. So you need to get the files that are what you can do is go into the VM for the school VM and go to this. Oh, that's what we need to do. So we need to make a directory, because right now, if we click on files, go to other locations, computer, user, local. We need a datasets file if we want to try to match how the instructions are from the school. They have all the stuff, all the pertinent files in user local datasets, but we don't have that folder. So what we'll need to do is sudo make dir user local datasets. And that'll give us our datasets folder, but we need to add files to it. So you could go to this directory on the school VM and download all the files from there, or you can go to the GitHub page, click on the CS340 CSV files, and download. All right. So that will download at some point, I'm sure. There we go. So open that up, and I'm going to extract. Let's do an extract, and I'm just going to do. Let's make a new folder here. New folder CS340, and I'm going to extract all the files here, and I don't need it to show the files because I know it's there. All right. So now, in order to add the files to this this folder, the datasets folder here, we're going to need to do, what's it? Sudo move. Asterisk is what will move all the files, and it'll move all the files to user local datasets, right? Oh, all right. Wait a minute. Hold on. You gotta actually get into. You need to change your directory. Change your directory to where you put those files, and then do it again. I'm gonna keep that in the video for comedic relief. There we go. So now all the CSV files are there that you can use for your databases, and you're set. So yeah, I think that pretty much covers it. Like I said, I'm gonna be I'll either create and replace this video with whatever fixes, or I'll create a third video with any issues that pop up when I do continued testing. So hopefully you found this helpful.